Welcome to Uni Channel, introducing our sleek and stylish SSD enclosure, designed to provide convenience, performance, and reliability for all your storage needs. This exceptional product offers a range of key features that set it apart from the competition. The appearance of our SSD enclosure is truly striking, featuring an eye-catching bright orange color that is sure to turn heads. Its compact pocket-sized design ensures that you can easily take it with you wherever you go, making it the perfect accessory for those who are constantly on the move. Our SSD enclosure is designed with user convenience in mind, offering tool-free installation in just 10 seconds. Simply insert your memory card and listen to the satisfying "caw" sound, then twist the rubber buckle to lock it in place securely. This intuitive design saves you time and effort, making it a breeze to set up your storage solution. One of the most important aspects of any storage device is its thermal performance. Our SSD enclosure features an aluminum shell that offers excellent heat dissipation, ensuring your memory card stays cool even during high-performance tasks.
As a bonus, we've included a thermal pad to enhance heat dissipation even further, providing added safety and peace of mind. Our versatile SSD enclosure is compatible with SSD memory cards in 3 different sizes, making it an adaptable solution for a variety of storage needs. Whether you upgrade your storage experience with our SSD enclosure, offering a perfect combination of style, functionality, and performance. Don't miss out on this must-have accessory for your storage needs. Thank you for watching. Feel free to contact the Uni team if you need any help or leave your message below the video.